Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a live on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you will need Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account already, just ignore all of that and log into your account, and let's get straight to Instagram. So after entering Instagram, you have two options to open your camera, but one option will let you go live. So let's go straight to the first option that will not let you go live. If you go here, maybe to your story, and swipe from the bottom to the top and go to your camera and open camera, you will not be able to start a live. As you can see here on the down, you don't have a live option. But even though you can go to settings and go to settings of live and whatever you want with the live settings, but you cannot start a live from here. How you can do that, or how you can start a live, just go back here to the main screen and swipe from left to the right. As you can see here, we have here a lot of options. We can maybe post or story or reel or even a live. So here, how we can start a live, but we still have some things here. We can click here on the settings and click at live, and maybe here we can hide live from people. Maybe if you want to hide live from people, just go here and search for the people that you want to hide live from. Just let me, for example, do this and click here and go back. As you can see here, hide live from one person. If you just want to remove that, just go and click there again. If you want to save your live on our archive, just make sure to activate this. If you don't want to save it, just don't save it. Then go back, then click on done. And as you can see here, you can add the title to your live, or you can schedule a live. Maybe you don't want to start a live right now, you want to start this maybe 2 hours from now. Just do the title, or type the title and type the start time and schedule live video. And the last thing here you have is just the audience. If you want to go live on public, or you want just to go live to practice by yourself, you can choose that from here and set the audience. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.